What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today is another Yoga Club unboxing. This is my favorite subscription service to date. I wear their clothes all of the time. I wear them like running errands, to work out, and I always have a problem trying to find good quality pieces that aren't super expensive. And so I feel like Yoga Club is a really great option if you're on a budget. My sister actually was like, what are some really good subscription service? And I told her about this. I told her about Yoga Club and I think she signed up. And not only that, she signed up using my code, which will save you $10 for life, not just on your first box. That was why I was super excited to do this video, because you save $10 for life and not just off your very first box. So if you're new to my channel, you've never seen these videos, Yoga Club is a subscription service that sends you name brand stuff for more than 60% off retail price. And I mean, I'm talking they are the cutest stuff. Some of the brands are Free People, Splendid. There's a bunch of different ones, but those are the first two that I always name because I feel like they're the most known. And I think my last box I got, it was all Free People stuff. So you can choose between 2 items, a quarter, or 3 items. And then you can also kind of custom if you want it once a month or like every quarter. So it's a really great service if you're on a budget, if you're wanting to get quality stuff for half the cost. And not only that, Yoga Club donates a yoga class to a child in need for every box that is for every box that's purchased. And I love companies that give back. Okay, so let's dig into this box. Oh, I get so excited when I do this. So excited. So you do take a style quiz, and like I've said, I've liked every single item that was sent to me. And this year, this time, I got a mix of Columbia and Glider. I forgot that that is another really good brand. So the first thing I got is a sports bra, and your girl needs some support. So this is what it looks like. I love the color. It's also reversible. So, and I like these because sometimes I just hang out in them. I have a hard time finding bras that aren't that are comfortable and that I can stand to wear for more than 5 hours at a time. So that is the first thing. I like the material and how it's super stretchy. The next is from Vi Active. That is another really good brand, and these are actually $92. Vi, I think it's V or Vi, they are, they're really expensive, but these are their sculpt and shape pants. No, these are their compression, sleek, sculpting pants. And look at the color. So it starts out as a gray and then it goes down to like kind of a light blue. Super stretchy. It feels really soft. I'm telling you, I wear these all the time to Orange Theory. Yeah, I think I have 5 or 6 leggings and I wear them constantly. So, and this is a really good service. Like if you work out a lot and you hate shopping in store and then like buying online and trying and returning them, since you take the quiz, they're extremely accurate. So I feel like it's just a really nice way I feel like it's like a really good way to manage your time, if that makes sense. Like you're not wasting it trying on workout clothes, because I feel like that is so boring. To get it delivered to your house. And the last thing I got is from Glider. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I just bought my husband a couple of these, and it is like a hoodie that has no sleeves, and look at the cinching in the back. Super cute. And I think that's gonna be really cute just to throw on with like a thermal, or just to throw on over your workout outfits. So honestly, like, and I hate to say this because like I know that I partner with them, but they nail it every single time I get my box. I'm always so excited. So I will put the link below. Click on that particular link because then it will save you $10 for life. And it's such a good deal. I can't stress what a good deal it is and what a great company they are. The people, I work with a lot of different companies and they are like the nicest, most responsive, like helpful company that I've worked with, and I really like them. So definitely check that out. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you next time.